Here's a sneak peek into our in-house Satisloh SPS-200, a precision optics polisher that efficiently processes spherical, aspherical, and freeform surfaces within a working range of 5 to 200 millimeters. This versatile machine adeptly handles various optical surfaces, including cylinders, toroids, and more. The SPS-200 excels in advanced polishing with synchro speed and vario speed modes, complemented by adaptive deterministic pre- and corrective polishing technology, ADAPT, ensuring precision in producing our customers a spherical and freeform optics. Avantier is committed to advancing modern technology through the delivery of life-saving imaging solutions, precision optics, and complex lens assemblies. Avantier, empowering optical innovations.